Thought today we'd try something different. We're now driving all the way down to Bayport this morning. Lately I've been fishing pretty far south around Homosassa. In today's trip, they already kind of know the area down in Bayport, so I figured I'd try launching farther south today. So I'm excited to see what this place looks like and take you guys with me. So today we're going off the weather prediction saying it's going to be windy till about 10 o'clock. So if that's accurate, we didn't want to launch too early and it'd just be rough all morning. Midday's been really calm, so today we're going to start around 9 o'clock, try to get out there when it's starting to calm down. So hopefully midday bite is still active. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully it's not too windy today. I'm excited to check out Bayport for the first time. It's a nice drive down there. See you guys at the boat ramp. Kind of reminds me of the drive-through Ozello. It's got a lot of natural life on each side of the road. It's a very beautiful place. It's always fun going somewhere for the first time. It looks like this is the boat ramp at the end of the road here. Showing up 8:30, it's already a busy place, I'm sure. I'm not used to starting this late. It's already 8:30. Seems like a nice boat ramp. Alright, see you on the water. First time in Bayport. Dude, there's 1,000 sheephead. I can see them from... Look at all the sheephead. Yeah. Oh my god. That's the question.
Now I believe you can see them.
Now I'm gonna be the meme person.
Look at that.
They're looking at my shrimp right now. You need like a light jig head and just drop in the middle of that. See what I mean by the school's only 50 yards wide? Oh man. But you see how they're 10 feet off the bottom? That's why you need like a light setup to keep it up in the air. God, they're stacked right there.
Gonna be a snapper.
I hope it's a snapper, not a gag, but it feels like a baby grouper. I thought it was a big grunt. Coming up, it looked like a big grunt. I can't believe he swallowed it. Big grunt. There we go. So it is a decent spot.
Very
The rod makes them look big?
Yeah.
Is it just a grunt? It is.
Damn.
Wow. That's a solid grunt.
Oh, chum.
That was a rock.
Yeah, it was a rock.
Uh-oh. There, I got it. Someone got a big bait. Get him! Get him! That's a good one. That's a good grouper right there. Nice one.
Hey! No.
He's not very big. He's only 25 inches. Good fish though. Oh, he's barely hooked.
That's just barely hooked.
That's a legal fish.
Yeah.
Baby grouper. I can't believe he ate that big old pinfish. That was the first drop to the bottom.
What to eat?
Small dead shrimp.
No way.
Well, at least we know they're here. Trying to get past the little fish is the hard part. Dude, finally. You got one too?
Yeah.
She's got a good one.
Oh, what I got.
We might have to start netting them, huh?
Oh, hey, it was a sheepshead. I watched
Open
it
the cooler.
somewhere.
You had a big one.
God.
She had a good one. That's why you guys set the hook super hard. That's why I like having a stiff rod, because those flimsy rods don't get the hooks in them.
Bullshit.
You guys just had
Working.
2 in a row.
These flies are not.
Oh look, I got one. Look, that's a sheep. See that? That's a sheephead bite. He dropped it. Son of a gun. Oh my. Rod tip. That's a sheep, and he's on there. Got him. Got him. You got one too? You got a grunt. I got a sheep.
Well, I set the stupid hook, that's for sure.
My old dropper rig does it again. Tiny little mango. Stop taking it away from the sheephead.
There we go. Or he's feeling pretty. Oh.
Big snapper. That's all. That might be a keeper.
Yeah. Okay.
Good job. Nope, it's a grunt. I think you're fishing on the sand. Try to get it back here on the rocks. I'll move out of your way.
Oh.
Come on,
I
shit.
let out the anchor line a bit, so we went closer.
Oh, I thought I had a grunt and I just saw it. It was a big sheephead. I didn't even set the hook that hard because I didn't think it was a sheep. I'm mad at myself. I never even gave him a hard pull. Yeah, it is. Sheephead slayer. Why am I not getting bites? Oh. There, I got one. And he dropped it. That's crazy. This is the sheephead rig where I don't usually get other fish pecking at it. See how high my hook is off the bottom?
Yeah.
Catches more sheepshead that way. Alright, keep the line still. That's not a... No.
Or no, it's a, yeah. Little baby.
It's a grunt too. I think that's a grouper. Dang it. It's always a grouper when you think it's a good fish. They love the jig head. Baby grouper. So calm out here today. Swim. There he goes. Hey, look, I got a sheepshead right now. Watch my rod tip. See how dead weight that is? And it just keeps getting heavier. See that? That's how you know it's a big sheephead.
Nice.
Yep, I called that one. Look at that. So I knew when it's a sheepshead bite because your rod tip just slowly starts to bend. He's peeing everywhere. Look at that. That's a good snapper.
Oh yeah.
Open your mouth.
That was a sheep.
Probably
He
was
fell
a
off.
sheep 'cause
Yeah.
it came off.
You got to keep the line tight. I just lost mine too. Any little bit of slack in the line by dropping the rod is how they fall off. Sometimes it's better just to keep the rod still and reel. There you go. That's a sheephead.
That's a flexible rod. I think it's a grouper. Almost impossible to keep it still.
So you got to reel faster than you drop.
Big sheepshead.
Yeah, I got a big sheep too. Good, we got two big sheep. Look at that, giants. He's got a monster sheephead. Here we go, that's what we want. That's what we want.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Loading up now.
Oh my god, he's a big.
That's what I love about sheephead. You can just leave it dangling the rod. Or is that a grouper? That's a grouper. You can just leave it dangling in the rod holder, and lazy sheepshead will find it.
Oh my god.
Sheephead bite.
Well, we can tell the tide changed a good bit, but that boat was completely tied.
Oh, I missed him. I don't think that was a sheephead. I don't know what that was. That's a sheepshead. Come on, baby. Got him. Yep, that's a sheep. And he fell off. There we go. I don't even know if he's legal, but it's a sheep.
It's a little guy.
Is he gonna hit 12?
I don't think so. Wow, that was lucky.
What's legal? 12?
There's
Oh,
the
no.
thingy. That's spicy.
Hell yeah. Side hook him? You got him.
Why don't you come back here and do this? I got it figured out now. You're gonna get one before we leave. They like this light jig head setup. You might be better at this setup. Nice one. I can see him. Grouper. Now keep feeding it out, and now watch that line. Every now and then stop it and hold it in your hand. If you don't feel it, give him some more. There you go.
Fish has been caught before.
Let it out 10 feet and then grab the line. See if you feel a fish. Hold the line. Hold the line. See if you feel that heavy fish on there. Nope, keep letting it
I
out.
feel like I'm fly fishing.
Yeah, you just keep doing that. Don't do it too fast. Just keep letting it out, and then every now and then grab it and see if you feel the fish thump it. No. Oh, you just did. All right, close it. Just wait. Now reel slowly. Reel slowly. Now lift slow. Hook them. Come on, be a sheep.
No way a sheep hit it like that.
Mango. All right, we got snapper going. We got chum going. These fish are about to fire up. Keep letting it out. And every now and then stop it and watch it. Let that line. Oop, yeah, the one just thumped it. Let it sit. Just let it sit for a minute. Now reel down to him. Reel. Keep reeling. Slowly lift. All right, let it back out. Let it back out. And that's what I do. I just slowly lift until I feel the fish. All right, now hold it. It should be on the bottom. And close the bail. It's going down there pretty good. I think it just hit the bottom. Yeah, there's a fish pecking it. Don't do anything yet. Lift slow. That's not a sheephead.
Oh, get him.
No. You see that little drop you just did there? If it was a sheep, you would have lost it. Did you just hook a sheephead? Did you do it? You,
I don't know.
No. Dang it. Stupid grunts. You always find the grunts.
I'm telling you what.
They follow you. Oh, you guys are starting the grunt bite now? What is this? We haven't had any grunts here. Hook him. He's already on there, whether you like it or not. It's not a sheephead. That fish hooked himself. It is all grunt.
Baby grunt.
That's not good. Yep, look at that. You see that? This is how you catch a sheephead, right there.
You got him. Stand it.
I wait till he's got it. That's a grouper. Oh, no, it's a sheep. Never mind.
I thought it was a grouper too.
He's just dark.
Ooh.
It's a good one.
Nice. Ew, look at the freaking slime.
Why is he so black?
It's probably
The grunter over there too? She left and I caught a sheephead.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
The second she left, I got a sheephead. I hope everyone noticed that. That she just, everywhere she goes, the grunts follow her. Oh my god, we gotta get that on video.
It's a baby!
The smallest sheepshead in the ocean.
That's the hardest one to catch right there.
Whatever, I got it, okay?
Yeah, the one we gotta let go. Good going. Upgrade from a grunt finally.
I did it.
Took 8 hours to figure out how to catch them.
Over there, so.
Alright, retiring this pole.